Hi, my name is Rachel, and this is my personal finance project. So, the first thing that we're going to be talking about is savings and checking. So, SMART goals is specific, measurable, achievement, realistic goals, and APY is the rate of yearly earnings. Pay yourself first is the idea of setting aside money and income for future use. An emergency fund is the amount of funds that could be easily accessed in case of an unexpected expense or illness. And savings versus checkings, although they have a lot of things in common, there's also a lot of differences. For example, savings is putting your money in something that has high interest so that it could double, while checking is where you could put money and withdraw when you need. So the next slide that we're going to be talking about is retirement. Retirement is a period of life after you end your professional career. A defined benefit plan is it's something that makes payments monthly until you die. And a defined contribution employee is when employees contribute to the individual's account. And a 401k retirement account allows someone to deposit their earnings to a tax-deferred investment, while an individual retirement account is personal account for setting money aside for retirement. The next thing we're going to be talking about is credit management. So, card counseling service is something that can um, help when you have debt or financial aid and you need management. And debt is something that is owed, and fraud is when you have someone else's information, and repossession is when someone fails to pay their debt. 20/10 rule is an individual should never borrow more than 20% of his or her annual pay. The next thing that we're going to be talking about is consumer protection. So, Ponzi scheme is a form of fraud, while pyramid scheme is actually illegal in the US and also a lot of other places. And MLM, which is multi-level marketing, is a marketing strategy for the sale of product or service where the revenue of the MLM company is derived from a non-salary workforce selling the company's products and services, while the earnings of the participant are derived from the pyramid-shaped commissionary system. And an independent federal agency is something that promotes consumer protection. And the next thing we're going to be talking about is rent. So lease is a contract that specifies the condition, terms, and rent for the use of an asset. And leasee is the person that rents the property, while leaser is the person who owns the property. And equity is the difference between the market value of property and the amount owed on the property. And the next thing we're going to be talking about is cars. So, a certified used car is a previously owned vehicle that has received a thorough mechanical and appearance inspection and necessary repairs. And the VIN, which is a vehicle identification number, is assigned by the automobile industry and used to identify an individual automobile. Depreciation is a decrease in value of property as a result of use and age, and the Truth in Lending Act requires creditors to provide borrowers with a complete rent and account with terms and costs. And for cars, the last thing we're going to be talking about is lemon law. So the lemon law requires a seller or manufacturer of a defected vehicle either to replace or repair or refund the buyer's money. And the last thing we're going to be talking about is insurance. So, insurance is a financial service used to protect against loss, and a premium is the amount the insured pays for the insurance company. A claim is the process of documenting the loss against an insurance policy, and a deductible is the amount the insured is responsible for paying when a claim is made. And lastly, there are many different types of insurance. Some include health, disability, life, home, and also automobile. And the college that I chose to talk about was San Jose City College. The graduation rate is 52%, and the acceptance rate is 55%, and the major I chose was dance. And the college cost is for in-state residents is $28,166, and out of state is $40,046. And then here we have the Bureau of Labor Stats, and then jobs, and this is where I would live, which was found on Zillow. And for transportation, I found a cost that comes out to $24,295. And then here we have our tax brackets and rates from 2019. And this is the 1090A form, and this is the W2 form. Thank you for watching.